Georeferencing in ArcGIS allows you to align spatial data with real-world coordinates, enabling you to overlay and analyze different datasets accurately. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to georeference in ArcGIS. Launch ArcMap. Open ArcMap on your computer. Add the raster image. Go to File, Add Data, Add Data, and browse to locate the raster image you want to georeference. Click Add to add it to your map. Enable the georeferencing toolbar. Go to Customize, Toolbars, Georeferencing, to activate the georeferencing toolbar. Georeferencing toolbar options. The georeferencing toolbar contains various tools you'll use during the georeferencing process. Familiarize yourself with the following tools. 1. Add control points. Used to add control points to link locations on the raster image to known spatial coordinates. 2. Fit to display. Adjusts the raster image to fit within the map display. 3. Rectify. Applies the georeferencing transformation to rectify the raster image based on control points. Add control points. Click on the Add Control Points tool. With this tool, you'll click on identifiable points on the raster image that correspond to known locations with known spatial coordinates on your map. 1. Zoom in to a specific location on the raster image. 2. Identify a distinct point that you can also locate on your map. 3. Click on that point in both the raster image and the map simultaneously. 4. A georeferencing dialog box will appear. 4. Enter the known spatial coordinates for that point and click OK to add the control point. Add multiple control points. Repeat the process mentioned above to add multiple control points across the raster image. Ensure you select easily identifiable points that can be located on the map. Check residual errors. After adding several control points, you can check the residual errors, which indicate the accuracy of your georeferencing. Lower residual errors imply better alignment. Go to View, Georeferencing, Residual Errors, to view the table. Refine control points, if required. If you observe high residual errors, you may need to adjust or add more control points to improve accuracy. You can remove control points by selecting them and clicking Delete Control Point on the georeferencing toolbar. Rectify the raster image. Once you are satisfied with the control points, click on the Rectify tool. This applies the georeferencing transformation to rectify the raster image based on the control points. Save the georeferenced image. Go to File, Save As, to save the georeferenced image as a new file. Choose a file format compatible with georeferencing, such as GOTIFF or JPEG 2000. Update the georeferencing information. To update the georeferencing information of the raster image in ArcMap, right-click on the raster layer in the table of contents, select Properties, go to the Source tab, and click Update Georeferencing. By following these steps, you can georeference a raster image in ArcGIS and align it with real-world spatial coordinates.